Good morning, landscape lovers. I'm Felix from Holygon. Let's jumpstart plot. What is plot? Plot is a tool in Landshape that lets you create new terrain by drawing a rectangle in the model. You click on the icon, the plot icon, to start plot. Then you pick the start point in the model. Then you move the cursor away and click to set the endpoint. Note how the VCB opens up and you can type values, for instance, length, width, and resolution. This gives you more control. The result you can then edit using the standard Landshape tools. If we start plot again, note how the status bar gives you options. For instance, you can replot by double-clicking. This will create a new plot with the same size as the last one. We can replot from here, and then we'll create a new terrain plot. Note how there is a discontinuity between the first and the second. However, we can use the level brush or some other tools to repair that easily. Now, these together behave as though they were one terrain. But plot has more things, more tricks up its sleeve. For instance, you can start a flat plot and then fit it to elevations that you have encoded in geometry. For instance, here we have isocurves. So we select the isocurves and then we fit the flat plot to the isocurves and we get this. Finally, plot can be used to create random terrains. As the status bar text says, if you hold Alt while plotting, you will create a quaked plot. And a quaked plot is a plot with random elevations, like this. Now you can, while in plot, click Enter to get a new quake. This way, you can explore different variations. This can be useful for trying out different landscape tools or to spark the imagination. This is how to jumpstart plot in Landshape. Now go try it yourself.